Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hafsu here, back with another video. So I compiled some surprising uses of Vaseline and generated an AI video to share it with you all. Number 1. Moisturize dry skin. Vaseline can do wonders if you have dry and chapped skin. You can even use it after a moisturizer. Number 2. Soothe minor cuts and burns. If you have cuts or burns on any part of your skin, you can apply Vaseline upon it and it will catalyze the healing. Number 3. Remove makeup. You can use Vaseline as a gentle makeup remover for your face and eyes. You simply massage Vaseline on your face and you're good to go. Number 4. Soften cuticles. To soften your cuticles, apply a small amount of Vaseline to your cuticles and keep them soft and moisturized. For better application, apply it with a Q-tip. Number 5. Prevent blisters. Apply Vaseline to areas that are prone to blisters, such as your feet or hands, before engaging in a physical activity. As we all know, there's this common saying, prevention is better than cure. Number 6. Protect skin from chlorine. Usually when we go to farmhouses, the pools are chlorinated, which is basically a harsh chemical. Therefore, to protect your skin from that harsh chemical, you may apply Vaseline on your skin beforehand. Tip number 7. Tame unruly eyebrow. Use a small amount of Vaseline to shape and tame unruly eyebrow. You won't even be using eyebrow gels when you'll start using Vaseline. Tip number 8. Prevent hair dye stains. Applying Vaseline around your hairline to prevent hair dye from staining your skin. Usually after hair dye, हमारी skin पे उसके stains रह जाते हैं. But if we apply Vaseline beforehand, we can prevent it. Tip number 8. Protect skin from wind burn. Applying Vaseline to your skin before going out in cold and windy weather to prevent wind burn. This tip is especially for people living in countries with extreme weather conditions. Tip number 9. Lubricate door hinges. With time, the doors get really noisy and squeaky. To prevent that, apply Vaseline at door hinges. Tip number 10. Fix stuck zippers. If your zipper is stuck and not gliding properly, apply Vaseline to avoid this issue. Tip number 11. Protect leather shoes. Applying Vaseline to leather shoes will protect them from water damage and keep them shiny and new for a very long period of time. I hope you guys are enjoying the facts because I really enjoyed making the video. Moving on to tip number 12. Remove gum from hair. Apply Vaseline to hair that is stuck with gum to help it remove easily. And this is a hack that not many people know of. Tip number 13. Make homemade lip balm. Mix Vaseline with essential oils or honey to make a homemade lip balm. Instead of spending hefty amounts on expensive lip balms, do try this recipe and you're good to go. Tip number 13. Condition leather. Use Vaseline to condition leather items such as belts, purses, and even jackets. Tip number 14. Keep perfume scent longer. This hack is my favorite because applying Vaseline to your skin before spraying on perfume will help your scent last longer, keeping you fresh all day. Tip number 14. Shine shoes. Use a small amount of Vaseline to shine leather shoes. As we all know by now that leather and Vaseline really go well together. Tip number 15. Prevent rust. Apply Vaseline to metal objects to prevent rust. Tip number 16. Remove water rings. Apply Vaseline to water rings on wood surfaces and let it sit for a few hours before wiping it off. And the water rings are completely disappeared. Tip number 17. Prevent car battery corrosion. Usually car batteries corrode हो जाती हैं. Therefore, you should apply Vaseline to the terminals of the battery in order to avoid corrosion.